So for my team, you know, 25% of the population is the green analytical type person, and that works great with. They love that. So we have to identify, are they that personality type? Otherwise, we're leaving 75% of the deals you can close right there, right on the money. The problem is analytical people like to present and close on an analytical basis. Once, if you realize you can become a chameleon and you close based upon the personality, then now you're closing 75% getting contracts right on the dime, right? And then only 25% is identified and actually sent out. So you just got to be careful that you're analytical, right? And you're not presenting to all personality types analytically, and you're sending offers, because that doesn't work. You know what I mean? Because the red personality type's going to open it up, look at it, okay, next, whatever. You know what I mean? The green might do a blue, they're just going to kind of blow it off. But red, green, yellow is a little bit different. You have to spend some more time with them, but they can close on the dime. But the red and blue, 50% of the population, you should get contracts, and you don't need any of this. This for green, this will close greens. And greens, what we do is say, listen, I'm just going to send you something. I want you to read it over. When you're fully comfortable, you know, let me know. I said, just do me the favor. I need to know by Friday, because we have some other decisions we want to make. But, you know, I want you to be fully comfortable. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. And I pull it away from them. And the more I pull it away from them, and if they're ready, the more they're coming after me. But that's only specifically for green personality types. For red personality types, I'm going right for the juggler. I'm closing. Blue personality types, I'm building friendships, and I'm closing. You know what I mean?